There's a lot of mullet jumping in the water. We got this flock of birds really gobbling them up. There could be blues and Spanish mackerel chasing after them, so it's probably worth a shot to cast it out there and see what we can land. We're getting a tad bit closer. Just give me about 30 more yards, please. They're within range, so I'm gonna take a shot. Land it. It's big. Oh. Oh, he got away. We'll take another chance here. There he is. Okay, here he is. Come on, get in. Spanish. Here we go. The school of Spanish. I gotta get back out there. Oh, they're gone. Took me all that time just to get the Spanish off.